Hello everyone, it's Joe from OnePageZen.com, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to configure contact forms on WordPress websites running on Google Cloud Platform. Now, contact forms can be a bit of a hassle to set up on Google Cloud Platform simply because Google does not allow traffic through some of the most commonly used mail ports, so you have to configure a workaround. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So the first step is I'm going to head over to my WordPress website. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install two plugins. So the first plugin we're going to install is WP Mail SMTP. So I'm going to go to Plugins, Add New. I'm going to search for it. And you can see right here, I'm going to install this plugin. And then click the Activate button. And the next plugin I'm going to install and activate is Contact Form 7. Now, Contact Form 7 is arguably the most widely used contact form plugin on WordPress. And it's an option that I would recommend. So choose Activate. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this contact form icon here, click it, and choose Contact Form 1. And we're going to click the Mail tab. And here in the To field, I'm going to enter the email address where I want the contact form submissions to be sent to. So for me, I want all the contact form submissions to be sent to tutstest@gmail.com. So for you, you're going to enter your own email address, and I highly recommend that you create a Gmail address strictly dedicated to receiving and managing all of your contact form submissions. So after you've entered your email here, you're going to click the Save button. And the next thing we're going to do is head on over to our settings page, and we're going to go to the email tab here. All right, now we have to configure our email options. So for the top here, in the From email field, I'm going to enter the same email that I entered in the last step. This is the email where you want all the contact forms to be sent to. So I'm going to enter tutstest@gmail.com. From name is Joe. And you're going to click the Send All WordPress Emails via SMTP. So check that field. Click on Save Changes. Now scroll down a little bit more, and you can see here we have SMTP host. So in that field, you're going to enter smtp.gmail.com. You're going to use SMTP port 587. And you're going to use TLS encryption. So click that. And for authentication, choose Yes, use SMTP authentication. And here you're going to enter your WordPress or your Gmail username. So for me, it's going to be tutstest@gmail.com. Just like in the examples above, we're using the Gmail address where we want to receive the contact form submissions. And then you're going to enter the password for that account. So I'm going to enter my password, and then I'm going to click Save Changes. Now the next thing you'll need to do is we need to go to Google and tell it to allow less secure apps to access our account. So to do that, you will go to myaccount.google.com/less-secure-apps and make sure that you are logged in with the email address that you've used in the last steps. So right now I'm logged in as tutstest@gmail.com. And here where it says allow less secure apps off, I'm going to click it so that it's turned to on. So the next step in this tutorial is to head back to our WordPress website here. And I'm going to go to my contact form. And here under the shortcode column here, I'm going to copy that shortcode. I'm going to go to my posts. And here I'm going to choose a post. And I'm going to paste that shortcode. And I'm going to click the update button. And now I am going to visit that post. Now here I'm just going to send a test email. And I'm just going to fill out these fields. And I'm going to click send. Now you see here it says there was an error trying to send your message. Please try again later. We're going to have to fix that problem. So the way to do that is, the first thing is to head on over to our Google account security. So that would be at myaccount.google.com/deviceactivity. And you will likely get a message here from Google that's saying that an unknown device, aka your contact form plugin, tried to access your account to send mail on your behalf. So you're going to have to click on this unknown device, and you're going to choose the Yes, That Was Me option, which will allow the plugin to work in the future. So choose Yes, That Was Me. I don't have that option here because I already configured it. After you do that, head back to your WordPress website and refresh the page. And now we will try again to send a test email. And choose the send button. And there you go. You see, thank you for your message. It has been sent. And that means that the message was sent successfully. Now, the other way you can test to see if it's configured properly is you can go to Settings, Email, and then at the bottom of that email page that we configured, there is a test email field. So you can try that out too if you would rather. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Also, if you got lost at any point in this tutorial, remember to check out the version at onepagezen.com. I have the link to that in the description of this video. At that version, I have each of the steps listed individually. So that might allow you to get a little more depth into this tutorial and answer any questions that you might have. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks a lot for watching.